Hello everyone, this is Shubham from Gossip Funda and today I'm here to elaborate about the topic headphone static and how to repair those issues, like if there is any problem in your computer, in your headphone jack or in your mobile phone itself. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let us first know what is headphone static noise. So basically, headphone static noise is a type of noise that is heard during any audio playback. It could be almost null to almost irritating. The sound comes when you plug in your headphones in the audio jack or taking it out from your mobile or any device or while playing any audio or video. The noise ranges like and to a certain extent, and it varies, uh, what we can say, from headphone quality too. Like if there is a low quality headphone, there is chances of more static noise, but that's not the issue. There is a solution to every issue. Like there are plenty of solutions to fix it, which we will discuss further, but let's first talk about the hardware issues. Sometimes static noise can also occur if there is a hardware issue. For example, if the mobile or the laptop's AUX jack or the 3.5 mm jack isn't well engineered. In this case, what happens is that the headphone jack is easily comes out of the mobile or laptop's 3.5 mm headphone jack. Now let's talk about the software issues or the issues with the headphone. So the first and very common issue could be the damaged wire or the speakers. It is mostly found that people use their earphones in a very rough manner, and due to this the wires get tangled and loses connection internally, or even the plastic coating upon the wires get torn apart. Something like in case sometimes there is a defect in the audio feedback as well, which is caused by improper placement of the hardware or misconfiguration in software settings. Now what are the solution to the static noise? So the first solution is reorganize the wire that connect the speakers and the peripherals to the laptop so that they couldn't come in contact with each other, or you can use the power cord as well. Second, use a different headphone jack. So you changing the headphone jack, maybe there could be an issue, so you can resolve it. Third, change and swap the speakers if possible. Changing speakers may help to get rid of voices or maybe some other issue or something. Fourth, use the mono audio channel or use the equalizer. Using mono audio channel can compress the voice, and using equalizers, the bass can reduce that static noise as well. Or if these don't work, upgrade or repair your headphone by a mechanic. That is the last and the best choice. So that's it for today, guys. Hope this video or the tutorial helped you a lot in solving a problem. Do like, comment, share it to your friends, and subscribe to Gossip Funda. Don't forget to put down your queries in the comment section. I have also added link in the description area. Do check that. It's right on there or right on the description area, like on PC. Stay happy, stay safe. Meet you next time. And yes, do subscribe to Gossip Funda.